Okay, good. Lily, go eat him. Lily, go over there. Lily, go, go, go. Lily, go. Lily, go. Okay. That one did so. That was a pretty doozy here and the water bottle tricks.
Sorry for the echo, guys. Lily, get him.
Drink the water. Oh, she's scared. Sponsored by Deer Park. No, please. Okay.
Okay, flip number 1.
So we're just gonna.
Whoa! Look at it! Look at it! He landed it! Oh my God, Lily! Lily! Oh, he's through! On the back. Okay, mate. You gotta get the water, empty it out, and then start twisting, mate.
Just start twisting. Just don't stop twisting. Just keep going, mate. Just keep it until like your fingers are bleeding. Just keep twisting. And then once your fingers are bleeding, my fingers are bleeding. So I just keep going. And then I'm getting blisters. And just keep going. Just keep going. Once it's about to like nuclearly explode, then look, you loosen out the cap a little bit. And then get your thumb on this side, and then you just push down. Push down. And then you see the vape.
The vape.
The vape. Oh, let me get in on that.
Oh,
Okay, stop. Peace out, guys. Here's the final flip. Lovely.
we should Pokemon go in.
Yes. Okay. See you tomorrow in Pokemon Going.